If your hair is damaged and you're struggling growing it back, if you've lost your edges, you are balding at a certain spot, your hair is thinning out, you're experiencing hair breakage, then this video is for you. If you just want to grow your hair much faster, thicker, and fuller, you should take this video very seriously. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. But if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. You're going to learn a lot from today's video. Let's get right into it. So my natural ingredient for today's recipe is curry leaves. If you haven't tried curry leaves in your hair care routine, you have tried everything but your hair is still stubborn, wouldn't grow, you should give curry leaf or curry powder a try. So they have it in powder form and they have it in the leaves form. You can always choose to use any of them. They both work the same. This is how the leaves look like. I got mine from Amazon. You can always get this from Amazon or from your local grocery store. These leaves have so many benefits that people overlook it. And I'm going to tell you all about it and also how to use it in order for you to grow your hair much fuller, thicker, and healthier. But hey, you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright guys, so let me walk you through this. Before starting this DIY hair growth spray, you need to put some water on the stove as you saw me do in the beginning of this video. I'm going to make sure it boils to a very high temperature. Then after that, I'm going to get my curry powder. It's very potent, you don't need much. I measured about a tablespoon. I put in a paper towel, tied it up so that straining it will be much easier. You can actually pour the hot water over the curry powder leaves to extract all the nutrients. Then after that, you can use your cheesecloth or any material with tiny holes to strain it. I found out that doing it this way is much easier, putting it in a paper towel, tying it up and extracting the nutrients as if you are using a tea bag makes it much easier. So this is what we have now. Look at that beautiful rich color. This hairspray is so potent, guys. Do not sleep on it. But I love to add some ingredients to this natural DIY hair growth spray. One of the ingredients I love to add is castor oil. Just reading on the bottle, you see that this oil can condition your hair. It is a very thick oil. You don't need much. Just a few drops will go a long way. Castor oil can prevent hair breakage. It will also help this hairspray stay in your hair much longer. Remember, this is just water based. So if you add any kind of oil, plant-based oil, like castor oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, it helps keep this hairspray in your hair much longer. I also love to add essential oils to my DIY hair growth recipes. I love the smell it gives to any DIY recipe, and aside that, these essential oils have their own benefit to the hair. So if you choose something like peppermint essential oil or tea tree essential oil or even lavender essential oil, they can treat your scalp from dandruff, other scalp issues that can hinder your hair from growing. It also stimulates blood flow to your scalp to help you grow much healthier hair. So I added a few drops to this DIY recipe, give it a stir. Then my DIY hair growth spray is all ready. This hairspray has been one of my favorite ever since I discovered it. I'm going to show you the best way to use it, but before getting into that, if you haven't done so already, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you'll always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright guys, so once I have everything ready like so, I'm going to transfer it into my spray bottle to even make the use much easier. Curry leaves promote hair growth by delivering rich proteins, iron, and antioxidants directly to your hair roots. This will help stimulate blood flow to your scalp, help you grow new healthy hair even at spots where hair cannot grow. These nutrients boost scalp circulation and stimulate dominant follicles to produce thicker, stronger hair. So once I have everything in my spray bottle like so, all I'm going to do is to use this to moisturize my hair whenever my hair feels dry. Use this at least 5 times a week. Apply it to your scalp, to your hair strands, and massage it in. Again, this is just water-based, so make sure you follow with your hair moisturizer or a leave-in conditioner to help this water stay in your hair much longer. Whenever you have any leftovers, you can leave it in the refrigerator for about 5 days and discard it. Be consistent with the use for faster results. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home. Thank you for watching.